Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to turn on RTX or ray tracing in Minecraft. Firstly, open Microsoft Store and search for Minecraft for Windows. Purchase or install the free trial, then let it download and install completely. Now go to Microsoft Store, search for Xbox Insider Hub. Install the app and launch the app once installed. In Xbox Insider Hub, click the menu icon and select Insider Content from the left panel. Click Minecraft for Windows 10 under Games and click Join to enroll in the beta version. Now, select Minecraft for Windows 10 RTX Beta when prompted, then click Done. The game will now update to the RTX-enabled beta version. It's important to know that switching to the RTX beta version will delete your worlds. Back them up beforehand. Locate worlds at their path, copy them to a backup folder. Now open Minecraft for Windows 10, create or download a world with an RTX-enabled resource pack. You can download them on Minecraft Marketplace, and when you enter a compatible world, go to Settings, Video, then toggle the ray tracing on. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.